Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to share how to exactly make 100 to $1,000 per month is basic income. So if you live in Africa, Asia, Europe, and America, there is no matter where you live in, because in this video, I'm going to show you a easy way to make money online. Is simple design, example of YouTube thumbnail design, banner, and etc. etc. So let's start. First go to fiverr.com. Here is a lots of service. Here is this design. I'll anything design in Canva. I'll design Canva template. Here is a lots of sale because this person is sale 770. This person is sale at 244. This is actually not for sale. This is the review. This person um, originally a sale here her service at least 1,000 plus, and here is lots of money he make already. Oh my god, this person already 9 order in QE the running a simple Canva design. So if you want to make money, keep watch this video. And second, the design. Here is lots of service, a wall service create in Canva. You can go to fiverr.com, then charge anything in Canva. Hey, here is some Canva. Here is lots of service, a Canva video, Canva ebook, Canva design, Canva Instagram template. Hey, today this video I'm going to show you a Canva Instagram template. This person is a top rated seller. He actually from United States, and otherwise this person from Philippine actually, and this person from Ecuador. And let's create something wonderful. This person actually today I will recharge in this person going to only 1 gig. This person make at least it. At first go to canva.com, then type here lots of millions template for free. You can start today, not for tomorrow, but here the lots of this is the Pinterest infographic templates. This is the photo collage and etc etc. So here the type of YouTube thumbnail. Here is a lots of template show you. So uh, actually I edited this one, and this is 100% customization fully. So it's depend which type of video you create and your client need. Example of this thumbnail for make money online related. So if you want to add any others, then charts. There's a lots of example of this one. If you want to, if you like this thumbnail, download now and seal your design, because it's your own design. Simply edit here the 5 way to care your pet, 5 way to, and this is a 3 way. And example of I delete this, example of I edit here, and here is a lots of animal, here is a lots of millions of a million thumbnail actually for it's for free. So another way, if you want to create Instagram post, then charge Instagram post. Here is actually the Instagram post is suggesting me, just click on, then lots of it's depend which of type you need to design. Example of your client, you order you uh, dental of cleaning services related to design. Example of this one, this is 100% customization. Example of my brand name is Mr. Kalam. Here is the brand name, this is my brand name. Now it's 100% unique. Here is your number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Contact us, 50% sale, and now I 90% off. But if you want to create anything here and sell your service in Fiverr.com, Fiverr actually has million seller and buyer using Fiverr.com. So if you want to more video to type, please subscribe my channel for the next video. See you soon. Tata.